Turns out I can't read Latin, so I have no idea what that's saying. Hello YouTube.
Hello YouTube. This is Kat, if we haven't shown her face yet.
Hi.
This is Kat, who's made an appearance. We've now come to like panoramic views of Antwerp on the top of this castle. Yeah, we might go for like a water cruise or something like that. I don't know. Figure it out. So we've come to Belgium for 3 days. It's the last leg of Kat's trip. So she spent a few days with us in the Netherlands, and we thought because Belgium's really close and we've never been, well, Den's been to Brugge and Ghent, but we've never been to Antwerp, which is one of the bigger cities in Belgium. So we've come here for 3 days and just staying in a hostel and having a look around. We might go to Ghent in the next couple of days, but at the moment we're just walking around and having a look at the sights.
The Australian tourists are confused by the very concerning statue. Wow.
Not a bad spot for an afternoon drink.
Goedemorgen.
Met mij €2,50 koffie
Heel lekker.
met melk en suiker.
Goed zo, jongen.
Yeah.
Yeah, natuurlijk. So it's morning 2 now in Antwerp. We're going to the Plantin-Moretus Museum. Plantin-Moretus Museum. It's like got 30,000 books, I think, and it's like an antique printing place. So yeah, that's about all I know about it so far. I'll report back. Okay, that was a horrible explanation, so I'll go again. So the Plantin-Moretus Museum in Antwerp is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and the world's only surviving 16th century printing workshop, which was once home to Christophe Plantin and his family. And yeah, we found it super interesting to see how progressive and forward-thinking this family was for their time period, and all of the incredibly significant work they published, like the first ever atlas, and also the 2 oldest printing pressing machines are housed here at the museum. This nice guide at the museum showed us how to use one of these traditional printing press machines to print an actual sonnet that was written by Plantin. So I'll let you listen to what the guide has to say.
Amazing.
It's in Old French. It's a poem written by Plantin, and it says what you need to become happy here.
So if you want to know what you need to be happy in life, then I think you're going to have to subscribe. And I'll read it out to you guys in our upcoming video of our house tour. So stay tuned, jongens. We're in Ghent, up on this bridge. We've stopped for a little beer. Cheers. I'm drinking a Ghent's Stroop. It's like 7%. I believe it's a Ghentish beer, hence the name Ghent.
You're a genius.
Gotta try the local cuisine, you know what I mean? We're going on a walking tour. We're in about half an hour. Because, you know, it's a good way to like learn more about the city, or like the history of the city that you're visiting.
Castles with torture instruments are better castles. Did you get the audio guide? You liked it? audio guide narrated by a famous Flemish stand-up comedian. So, if
Our tour guide, Kenny, from the Legends of Ghent walking tours was absolutely hilarious, and I highly recommend doing a tour with them. He was really knowledgeable and very passionate about Ghent, and he tells you all these fun little facts you probably wouldn't otherwise know. Like how the only time the Castle of the Counts, since its construction in 1180, was overtaken was when the students of the University of Ghent took over the castle in 1949 when they were protesting the increase in the price of beer, which is pretty hilarious. The Ghentish people take their beer very seriously.